Tutorial number 35, we're going to talk about the rib feature, or as we see it here on the right side, the rib. And the rib also is called in other software program like SolidWorks the sweep. But in other software they are differentiating between rib and sweep. But here we have both together. You can create rib and sweep with this feature. So I'm going to sweep a profile and also going to use it as a rib. And now let's create a profile. Let's sketch it. Let's make a circle. This is the profile which we are going to sweep or rib. And let's choose another plane to sketch. Just to be sure to choose the plane where we want to sweep the circle. Now let's draw the sweep path. I pick the spline. And now let's exit. Now we have the profile and we have the path. Let's activate the rib. The profile will be the circle, the center curve will be this spline, and now you can see we sweep that profile. And here you can specify the thick profile or merge rib ends. In this case we don't have any ends, so I'm going to use this in the next example. So if you specify the thick, I'm going to give you the tube shape. Here we have our sweep profile thick, so you can make it like a tube. So this case is sweep. Now let's create a fast box to make a rib for it. Now let's exit, padded, okay, and now let's choose the same sketch where we created this pad, sketch 3, pad again, thick, and give it a dimension of 50, preview, and we have thickness of 1 millimeter here. Okay, so now we have plastic box. So now let's try to make a rib for this. Let's use this surface to sketch, and let's choose rectangle. We try to use it in the middle, exit, and let's create the rib path on this surface or in this surface. They are going to work. I'm using the bottom surface. Here we have a line. You can make it the middle, exit, and now let's choose this file, rib, and this is the path. Okay, so now we created a rib here. So now we have two cases, how to sweep and to create a rib to support plastic box or whatever. So now we can know that rib, you can do both of these functions.